All right, so today we're going to go over that filtering error that popped up in our last session, and then we're going to talk about batch segmentation. We're out of this episode is going to be a little bit out of order because we're doing decision modeling right now, but we have to address this error. So I thought it was a good time to also talk about batch segmentation. So yeah, in our last session here, we had when we were trying to get data from the API, we were getting this error. So I did a lot of trial and error trying to figure out what was causing that, and the issue seems to be, I don't know why, but this issue seems to be it doesn't like any kind of variable being declared, which is odd because if I go to the documentation, I can see that they're declaring variables in here. If I go to, there's examples. I copied and pasted this exactly. So, and it's fine. Declaring these variables are fine. It's in all situations and filtering in the testing tool and everything. But when I try to get data from the API for whatever reason, it doesn't work. So I'm a little bit confused. And it's not just these dynamic values either. It's any kind of value. If I were to put, say, a hard-coded value here, it still doesn't like that I declared a variable. Very confused. If anyone has an idea, please put that in the comment section. But for now, I'm just going to hard code it. I'm going to take this variable out. And yes, you can see how many, it took me a while to dwindle down what was actually the problem. So we have to duplicate this. Yeah, like I said, like let's say if I did this, this would also throw the same error. But if I do this, I'm fine. Yeah, and then okay, so all right, let's publish. And let's go back into, I'll delete all these old condition templates later. Remove that and put our new one in. And you'll see that it is, oops, one. There we go. There's our data. And we can preview the experience. And there we go. Okay, so I do want to take this opportunity to talk about batch segmentation. So real quick, you might be wondering, what is the difference between batch segmentation and these conditions? And this condition here is in real time. So as soon as they meet this condition, they're eligible to be served that experience. Where the segment, this gets run nightly. I have it up here, so it runs at midnight, wherever this is. It runs once a day, and so you have to wait. So if we meet the criteria, the batch it won't take effect until the following day. So that is the disadvantage, but the advantage of selecting audience using a segment is that there's lots of reports that give you a rich understanding, and you can look for patterns and look for patterns in their behavior, then get a better insight into your users. So that's one reason to use segments. I'm going to leave the condition on here, but we're going to go ahead and create a segment. And you go here, batch segments, create a segment. And this is a no-code solution, so a content editor could do this themselves. And you can see here, it is event. So you could, by the guest, you could do lots of stuff by the country, birth, etc. Stuff in their session. But we're just going to do the clear cart, and then we're going to do this created at, right, in the past 30 days. So here is a no-code solution. Wouldn't need a developer. And yes, so clear cart event, and it would happen in the past 30 days. And we're going to go ahead here and calculate the audience. It's going to be an audience of 1. I'm the only person that has used this so far. There we go. So yes, and this is me. Okay, so this is another way to do it. I'm going to start that. I'm going to publish this, and this may take some time. Okay, so if I go back into my experience, I could then filter them based off of the segment also. It's not quite ready, but this is, it is ready. It's publishing. Okay, so that's it for today. And in our next session, we are going to continue with decision modeling. Thanks. Bye.